So this was something that I had been looking out for. On the weekly candle close, we had a very nice close for our weekly green, but if we look at the structure overall, it looks like quite massive head and shoulders playing out right now. We've had a very strong support around 41,500, from where we started taking a nice solid pump, and now we're price bound in small ranges and small time frames. But अगर हम लोग यहाँ पे देखें तो हम काफी स्टक हो गए एंड दोनों पैटर्न्स काफी सिमिलर लग रहे हैं, और वहां पर भी हमारे साथ यही हुआ था इन द पास्ट हिस्टोरिकल कि जब भी वी बिकम साइडवेज एंड वी हैव ग्रीन कैंडल्स दैट टेक अस साइडवेज, और उसके बाद वी स्टार्ट हैविंग एन अपसाइड रैली. सो दिस वाज अ वेरी की जोन हियर, एंड सिमिलरली दिस वाज अ वेरी की जोन हियर. मे बी दिस सिंबलाइजेस कि हम लोग कुछ अब इस टाइप जोन के अंदर ऑलरेडी आना शुरू हो गए, which is going to be very very interesting to see whether that happens or not. हर चीजों को थोड़ा हम लोग डे फ्रेम के अंदर देखने की कोशिश करते हैं और डे के अंदर देखते हैं where is everything lying right now in the marketplaces. So if we start with our total is almost now trying to break out from here on our daily time frames, and if the market still starts to have some kind of pump or an up rally coming, obviously we can expect total to have a very massive upside coming from here, and it can have an upside movement coming anytime soon. So it is very interesting, and one point very key to watch out for this week is going to be our total. The next very key important factor we have right now in the market that is making everybody very confused. As BTC and Ethereum came down, we began to see USDT's dominance increase in the market. As we can see, we were in a very strong downtrend while the market was pumping, and then as the market started dumping, we start seeing an uptrend in our USDT's dominance. सो इफ वी सी हियर क्लियरली ये अच्छा काफी अप ट्रेंड बनाना शुरू हो गया है, काफी स्ट्रॉन्ग अप ट्रेंड के अंदर चल रहा है, एंड वी वांट दिस टू कंसोलिडेट और एटलीस्ट बिकम साइडवेज, एंड मे बी likeliness what we would want in the market is it comes down sharply and maybe gives investor more confidence right now in the markets than it has in dollar. Others की dominance को देखें in our daily time frame, so we can see others is at a historical level right now. Others used to trade around 70% to about 11%, and now we're literally sitting at historic levels of 1851. We really want this rally to continue and stay in a very good uptrend and go towards breaking these highs, so we can expect some massive upside coming in altcoins as well. Right now I'm very bullish on altcoins because they have a very strong dominance in the market. There's a lot of money pumping into the altcoins as well. As we can see, Nfts, metaverses games releasing every other day, and we have seen a massive impact of that on ADA as well. If we see ADA's chart in the daily time frame, it's looking quite good. It's making a very good W shape right now, and it has a very good solid uptrend, and it's very close to the downtrend line as well. There's a very very high chance ADA is gonna make out from this downtrend very very soon, and we can expect some big moves coming from ADA and Cardano's whole ecosystem, because most of the world forgot what Cardano has been doing and how's the blockchain updates going on. Everything about the blockchain is very positive right now, and we can expect some upsides coming very very soon in ADA, Koti, and the rest of Cardano's ecosystem. Let's jump in our crypto greed and fear index and see whether the market is fearful or very greedy right now. And as we see, we've been maintaining ourselves at greed levels. We're still at extreme fear. So it's been about 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and back to 22. So the market has not been stabilized yet. We're still looking for the bottom. That's where everybody wants to put all their buys in and make a lot of money. The first news we have for today is top 5 cryptocurrencies to watch this week: BTC, NER, Atom, Phantom, and FTD. If Bitcoin breaks above 45,500, select altcoins like NER, Atom, FTM, and FTT could turn bullish in the short term. The last news we have for today is Bitcoin miners can take fresh 20% BTC price hit before capitulating, data shows. Production cost for miners around 34,000. Together with the transaction fees, miners need to not worry about another 40,000 support challenge on BTC USD. So if we can see, last time we had a similar situation like this, we had in May when the production cost was below, and we saw a massive dump in the market as well. There was a panic. We might not experience the same panic now, but you never know, because FUD in the market is necessary for the bottom to come in as well. BTC was as a risk for miner capitulation at 30k in May. The current production cost is 34k, 20% below current price. So they still have some kind of cushion to marginalize their trades and still stay in some kind of profits. This news is very important for us to understand whether we're hitting the bottom or not, or how far are we from our bottom. Because minus hash rates and mining rates also decide whether the market has found its bottom yet or not. So let's jump in our charts and see what we can expect from NER, Atom, FTM and Bitcoin. If we look at Atom is sitting very close to its price discovery. It's already sitting next to its all-time high where we have already had a double top, and that double top brought us to our support levels, which was about $20. From $20, Atom has had a massive upside rally where it had continued its rally and came back into its daily trend as well. And now we're just sitting at the all-time highs. Just as we break this, we can experience a price discovery, and Atom is very likely to give a very tough time to AVAX, Luna, and other chains that went from $40 to $100 this year and last year as well. When it comes to Phantom, it's one coin that I really like, and it has one of the fastest transaction speeds in the market and chain right now. So if we expect Phantom to break its all-time high, which is very close, we're expecting somewhere about 3.48 to come very soon. And then Phantom is also going to go for price discovery, and Phantom can easily go to $6 to $10 this year. Phantom is a very good protocol, and it has offered a lot of solution. It's one of the cheapest layer ones in the market right now. NER is also another very good protocol. NER, I can easily see NER going up to probably about $40 very soon. NER has a very good upside, very strong uptrend. Fundamentals also for NER looks very good. We can now check out what is happening on our BTC and ETH chart, so we can have a better understanding what we can expect from later today. So let's jump in and get into 1 hour time frames so we can understand what we can expect. As we can see, we're in a rising channel. After falling from the rising channel, we are now bringing support from 3,211, and we have begun to become sideways. We're priced around between 3,346 and 3,211. We can expect a move coming towards a downside or maybe an upside coming anytime soon in ETH. But BTC USDT in 1 hour looks very good. We are creating higher highs and higher lows in higher time frames, but we did have a resistance here which we have been rejected from our danger zone, and we are consolidating between 4,329 and 42,500. For me, I still see an upside and a downside in the market right now. We can expect probably for us to test about 44,500. If we do, then we can go to our key zone, which is going to be 46,000, and then probably 47,000. That is where our strong resistance is at right now. We have a strong support from 41,000, though we can expect a downward movement anytime coming into the market because the market has been very exhausted. We have seen similar moves like that here as well, where we went up and now we are kind of making a similar pattern. But we have to be very careful, as we saw in our weekly chart that we are making bullish channels, so we can expect some massive moves coming into the market this week. You have to be very careful while you are trading. So this is all for today's video, guys. If you do like today's video, smash the like button, share your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe to my channel. Take care, guys. Have a good day. Bye bye.